Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video today we're going to be discussing how the United States can be a great offshore jurisdiction. You'll see a lot of folks talking about offshoring. I don't particularly think of myself as dealing with offshore structures exactly. We just happen to deal with different jurisdictions. But for those who are not American citizens and are citizens of third-party countries, in many ways, the United States can be a very advantageous, quote-unquote, offshore jurisdiction with respect to things like banking, incorporation, and just general operation. Non-resident aliens in the United States are not subject to the same tax burdens as are American citizens and lawful permanent residents. I'm not going to get into specific details with respect to this, but that being said, it's enough to convey through this video that the United States as an offshore jurisdiction can be very beneficial under certain circumstances with respect to certain tax breaks that can be given, especially to encourage foreign investment, foreign business just being brought into the country, job creation. Another thing to think about is there are investor visas that are associated with investment in the United States. So one can invest in the U.S. and say something like the EB-5 program and be granted a green card. Significant, substantial benefits can be associated with offshore investment in the United States. The other thing to think about is, unlike other jurisdictions that have come under increased scrutiny and increased, let's say, push from law enforcement and revenue departments throughout the world, most notably the IRS, putting pressure on various jurisdictions outside the United States, it's fairly difficult for some jurisdictions to put any pressure at all upon the U.S. with respect to issues surrounding things like revenue collection, etc. And for that reason, and I'm not saying that it's like kind of a bullying thing, it's just sort of a simple statement of fact, it's not particularly easy to pressure agencies in the U.S. to change policies with respect to non-resident alien investors. And I don't think that's going to change anytime soon, and for a lot of reasons. Investing in the United States, operating various types of incorporated entities and banking functions in the United States can be extremely advantageous for non-resident aliens of the USA.